জয় মা বগলামুখী দেবীর জয়। Hello viewers, I am Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Vikkan. By the grace of Ma Bagla Devi, you have all had a good day and you have done everything possible to keep others well. I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measure that you apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video. And if you do not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike, and I will say again, this is a one-day video. So if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else like you. If you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion. And many thanks from me and to all those who have already subscribed to the channel. And if you are new to this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the videos that I have provided for your benefit, and you will definitely benefit from my channel. However, without any further ado, let's start with today's horoscope judgment, its question and remedial measure. Today, 18th September 2020. So let's talk about the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. You might get support from government today. Life partner and business partner also will get full support. Stagnated work due to lack of money might resume today. People in the job might get promotions. Work related to manufacturing and machinery will get very much successful in the day. Though your lucky number of the day is 3 and there is a remedy for you, do not drink milk at night. Then let's talk about the second treasure in the zodiac. You will be benefited in writing and publishing related work. There are chances to getting well today. Jobless people might get jobs today, and people will appreciate you for your work also. You will get success in marketing related work, and sales job also gets very much successful in this day. Your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. If you try to deceive other and do bad things with them, it will be very harmful for you. So be careful about these things. Then let's talk about Gemini, the third sign of the zodiac. People in the job should keep a good behavior with others and colleagues also. Business people will get benefits due to inactivity. Negligence in financial matters may cost you dearly. Avoid starting some important project for the day, and it will be harmful for you also. You might involve in some family event, and it will be very glad to you. Your lucky number for the day is 9, and there is a remedy for you. Adultery will be detrimental to both your reputation and your wealth. So very much careful about these things. Then let's talk about the Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac. You will try to benefit your friend and a partner also. You will make a new friend and contacts in this day that will be too much beneficial for you. You might invest in real estate, and a relationship with a brother and sister will become cordial. So be careful. You might buy some expensive item that should be not good for you, and your lucky number for the day is 4, and there is a remedy for you. Do not use the daughter wealth and resources. That should be punishable things for you for the day. Then let's talk about Leo, the fifth sign of the zodiac. Do not rush into new investment, but wait for the right opportunity, and that should be very good for you. Unemployed people might get new jobs, and you might get good opportunities from abroad. You will be enthusiastic today. The atmosphere of house will be very good for you, and you will earn good profits from banking related work. So try it, do as early as possible. Your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. Please place the square silver piece in your pocket and then start your day. That should be very good for you. Then let's talk about the sixth sign of the zodiac, Virgo. There are chances of getting great opportunities in a career, so be careful to do these things. Maintain good relationship with your life partner and business partner also. You will be energetic today, and you will get inspiration to do something good and new in your life, and that should be a very good things in your life. You will take interest in the spiritual works from the day, and mutual differences will get resolved today. And your lucky number for the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. Eliminate glassware for the day and for the life. Then let's talk about the seventh sign of the zodiac, Libra. Some relatives might come to your house and in your life also, and do not share your plans with anyone, otherwise you will getting harmful in these things. Confront the problem with courage. Diseases related to the digestive system might trouble you in this day. Do not insult anyone in anger. That should be harmful for you. You might get hindrance in work field, and your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. Don't help for free education to anyone. Then let's talk about the Scorpio, the eighth sign of the zodiac. Your children might get great success in career today, and you will earn a hefty profit in the business. Your willpower and self-confidence will increase today also, and love life will remain happy. You will spend time with your children with full of entertainment and fun, and that should be a very good things in your life. Though your lucky number for the day is 5, and there is a remedy for you. You need to make sure that grandma does not see her grandson. Then let's talk about Sagittarius, the ninth sign of the zodiac. You will get success in higher education. You might get respect in work field, and you might purchase some property for home or office, and you will get success in doing work from home, and also try to control your shortcomings. Your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. Refrain from alcohol, meat, and adultery also. Then let's talk about Capricorn, the 10th sign of the zodiac. You should not hesitate to seek the advice of elder people. Listen to the voice of the mind instead of your heart. Women natives should take care of their health. Your social image will get stronger, and love will increase in a married life. Your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. Serve the workers milk or milk-made products. Then let's talk about Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac. Some problems might occur at your in-laws' side. Your fate will not support you. Hidden advisories might promote propaganda against your image. So be careful. Take extra precaution in using social media forums. You might be a victim of online fraud. So be careful and don't do this. Do not travel also unnecessarily. Though your lucky number for the day is a 9 and there is a remedy for you, stop adultery and gambling as early as possible for the day. Then I am about a 12th sign of the zodiac, or the last sign is Pisces. You might recover the money from borrowers. Stars suggested wedding bells for love partners. You will receive money from new sources and your reputation will increase in a society. You will enjoy the romantic day with your life partner and you can compromise any dispute with intelligence. Your lucky number for the day is a 6 and there is a remedy for you. Do not burn milk to prepare any kind of sweets. Anyway, this was the judgment of Arise to Peace from today match. Her equation and remedial action. I will not say anything more than this today. I would like to wish Ma Bagola Devi, like every day, let Hema keep everyone well and keep them healthy and create a situation so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy. Maybe I am here today. I'll be back at the right time tomorrow. I will tell you about the precautionary and remedial measure of judges' pieces from the Arise in front of you. So take care and goodbye for the day.